Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. I hope everybody's having a happy holiday season. I certainly am. It's been very, very busy, but I'm hanging in there and I'm getting through the holidays just like everybody else. And I guess my favorite holiday would have to be New Year's. I make a point of celebrating New Year's. I make a big deal out of it actually because I think it's important. I think it sets the tone for the year. So for me, it's the number one priority to make New Year's a happy event. Plus, I always set goals for myself. I think it's important that we do that. I don't always meet my goals, but I try. And one of my goals in 2022 is to try to manage my time a little bit better. I'm getting so busy these days with a lot of unboxings and tutorials, and I barely have time for my own creativity. So anyway, that's one of my goals, to manage my time a little bit better, bring you more tutorials, more content, fresh ideas, inspiration, and so forth. And I'm so happy today because I received the Magical Mystery Bead Box for the month of December. Can you believe it? Now, if you're not familiar with the Magical Mystery Bead Box, I'll leave a link down below so you can go check it out. And please do check out the rest of their website because they have a lot of things to offer. But anyway, guys, the box was super early this time. I'm very excited. I can't wait to see what's in the box. Let's go ahead and turn the camera around and we'll get started. Here it is, guys, the Magical Mystery Bead Box. Just in time for Christmas. Let me go ahead and open it up. Take a look. And oh my goodness, my favorite artist, Van Gogh. This is a beautiful picture of his painting, Starry Night, and the name of the box is Starry Night. This has to be my favorite painting of all time. I love this painting, and I recently saw the Van Gogh immersion experience here in DC, and I really, really liked that show. I really had a great time.
Before starting to paint, I drew and studied perspective.
If it comes to your town and you have the opportunity to go see it, I strongly recommend it because it's a gorgeous show. But anyway, getting back to this box, as you can see, it's the December box 2021. And let's take a look at the back. As you can see, the contents are listed on the left side. And on the right is a little bit of information about the Magical Mystery Bead Box Design Challenge. If you join their Facebook group and post a photo of your favorite creation using the Magical Mystery Bead Box, you'll have a chance to win a free Magical Mystery Bead Box month in 2022. So that's kind of cool. And let's take a look. Oh my gosh, this is so colorful. Look at this, guys. Oh my gosh, look at these colors. Let me go ahead and put it off to the side and we'll go through each item. So this strand right here is called Starry Night, and as you can see, it has the gorgeous colors of Van Gogh's painting, the blues and the yellows, but it also has other colors in there. I can see a little bit of purple and black and white, and as you can see, these are Hishi beads, and I'm not sure what they're made out of. Maybe it's acrylic, I don't know, but they're very nice, as you can see. I love using Hishi beads. They make great accent beads. Look at all these colors. These are so gorgeous. I love it. Let's see what else we have. We have a beautiful charm set. And of course we have this gorgeous strand. Oh my gosh, look at that. And then we have a pair of boho beads. And we have a bead mix. And here's another bead mix. And it looks like there are 2 packs here. Some beads and some metals. That's really cool. And we have some chain. And here's another packet with some gorgeous chain. Oh my gosh. And one more thing here. More chain. So we get 3 packets of chain. Let me go ahead and organize this and we'll go through each thing. We already took a look at this, so I'm going to put this aside. Let's take a closer look at this strand here. Look at the gorgeous sparkle in the center bead here. So we get one of these big ones and then we get 2 of the other ones, as you can see. And I love this blue color. It's so pretty. Look at the facets on these beads. They're so sparkly. As you can see, we have a combination of beads, bead caps, and spacers. I love this rhinestone spacer here. It's so gorgeous. And we get some daisy spacers, some silver medals, gold medals. Really beautiful. And these clay beads are just absolutely gorgeous. Look at all the crystals on them, guys. Look at that. So beautiful. I love this. Such a beautiful strand, and it looks so nice with these Hishi beads. And I love the name of the strand. The strand is called Moonstruck. So appropriate. I love that they included so much chain. Look at this one here. This one is so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. This one is called Moonlit Gold Chain. And look at all these links, guys. Each one is a beautiful crystal. I'm so impressed with this one. This one's absolutely gorgeous. You could simply just put a clasp on this and make a bracelet out of it. Isn't it gorgeous? And you get a lot too. This is a very long strand. I just measured it and it's 36 inches, guys. It's a very long strand. But what I like about this strand is that the gold is that light gold color. It's not very yellow, which I really like. I like it that it's a pale yellow gold. Absolutely gorgeous. And here's one in a silver color, but it's not a bright silver. It's more of a darker silver. I absolutely love it. The crystals are a little bit smaller on this one, so it's a little bit daintier, but it's so gorgeous, guys. Oh my gosh. The sparkle is just absolutely stunning. I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't know if you guys can see all the different colors in there. I don't think it's AB finish. I just think it's the faceting on the crystals. So this one's not as long as the gold one, but it's 18 inches and that's quite a bit. I absolutely love this beautiful chain. It's so gorgeous and there's so much you can do with it. You can use it in a necklace, you can make earrings out of it, and you can definitely make bracelets. And you can even combine these two colors together and that would look really nice. Now this one's a little different because it has prongs. Each one of these crystals has prongs, whereas this one doesn't. This one doesn't have prongs. So it's a little bit different, but they're both gorgeous. I love them. So beautiful. And here we have some enamel chain. Look at this beautiful blue color. The name of it is Van Gogh Blue Enamel Chain. And look at this, guys. It's made up of little dangles. Isn't that adorable? It's so pretty. I can definitely see this in a multi-strand necklace. And the enamel is on both sides, as you can see. It's a silver color, as you can see. Isn't that adorable? I love these little dangles. They're so cute. You could even take one of these off and use it in a bracelet as a charm. They're so adorable. This is such a pretty blue color too. I love it. And look how nice it looks when you double it up. I'm definitely going to have a lot of fun with this chain. I'm anxious to see what's in this bead mix. As you can see, the name of the bead mix is Stardust. And it looks like they separated the metals from the beads. That's really nice of them. Let me go ahead and open up this packet. And as you can see, they're relatively small beads, which I like. I like using a combination of large and small beads. And I can see a couple of different blue colors and some bronzy colors. And as you can see, we have different types and different shapes. Some are faceted, some are smooth. Let me put them on a rod so you can take a better look. And here they are on some rods. As you can see, we have a combination of shapes and colors. I love these here. These are actually bicones, but they're elongated bicones. But look at the gorgeous sparkle, guys. Look at that. We have some rondelles. We have some clear beads. Some dark purple beads right here. Let me give you a close-up. Aren't they lovely? And then we have these here. Various shades of blue, as you can see. We have some matte colored beads over here, and these are all very sparkly and shiny. And this is such a pretty periwinkle color. I love these tiny milky colored beads over here. Aren't they gorgeous? Let me give you a close-up. Very nice. And then we have these here. As you can see, there's a combination of bead caps and some spacer beads. I'll take them out and show you. They're so tiny though, I'm going to have to scoop them up. As you can see, we have a combination of silver and gold. I think I even see some rose gold here. We have some gunmetal, some bronze. And as you can see, it's a combination of spacer beads, tiny little metal beads, and some bead caps. These are definitely going to come in handy, especially with these smaller beads here. Very beautiful mix. And here's a lovely charm set. The name of the set is Shine Bright. And we have a beautiful moon shape with rhinestones on it and two very lovely star shapes. Each one is covered with rhinestones, as you can see. Aren't they gorgeous? There's the back. The back looks really nice. And there's the back of the moon shape. Isn't that beautiful? This would make a great earring set for New Year's. I love the celestial theme. I think it's so gorgeous. So I'm definitely going to be using these. And here we have another gorgeous bead mix. The name of it is Celestial. Let me go ahead and open it. Look at these gorgeous star beads with the AB finish on them. Aren't they adorable? And I love this one here with that beautiful design similar to the Van Gogh painting in that yellow color. And oh my gosh, look at these. Look at these charms, guys. Look how pretty these charms are. Each one has a gorgeous opal-like crystal. So pretty. There's the front and there's the back. I love these. And we have these two charms. Aren't they adorable? They're in a very pale white frosted kind of color. I can definitely see these in a pair of earrings. So pretty. And then we have these spacer beads that have like a wavy kind of shape. There are 4 of them. And there's a little design on each one. I'm not sure if it's a flower or a sunburst or what, but it's absolutely gorgeous. Let me go ahead and put these on a rod so you can take a better look. And here they are on my rods. Look at these guys. Look how gorgeous these are. Now these are drilled at the top. I didn't put this one on because I wanted to show you. Let me show you the front. It kind of looks like a rivery crystal, but it has a hole. But anyway, they look interesting when you thread them together like this. It's kind of a cool effect. So yeah, these are really pretty. I love all these stars. Look at this. These have some gold paint on them, and these have an AB finish on them. And I love these oval-shaped cat-eye beads. Aren't they gorgeous? Such pretty colors. Very subtle. And these are nice as well. Look at all these facets, guys. These are disco ball beads. Aren't they gorgeous? And here we have a couple of clay beads with rhinestones on them. And these definitely look like the swirly patterns on Van Gogh's Starry Night painting. And I love these beautiful squared off rondelles. I don't know if they're called rondelles or disc beads, but they don't have rounded edges. They have squared off edges, which makes them very, very sparkly. Let me give you a close-up. Aren't they gorgeous? I don't think I gave you a close-up of this one. Let me give you a close-up. So anyway, these are gorgeous and I love these charms. I'm definitely going to be using these. They coordinate so well with these colors. Such a pretty combination. I'm anxious to see what's in this bead mix. The name of it is Aurora Borealis. And look at these blue colors, guys. Oh my gosh. Let me open it up. Look how rich those blues are. And we even have some violet in there. And we have some silver metals. Here we have a beautiful connector with rhinestones on it. That is so cool. I love connectors. It's a 2-to-1 connector. So you can connect 2 strands to the one. You can have 2 strands at the bottom, one from each of these loops, and then one at the top. I've never seen connectors with rhinestones on them. I love these. We have various shapes and sizes. Let me go ahead and thread these beads on a rod. And here they are on my rods. I didn't thread these because I didn't have room, but they're S-shaped beads, as you can see, and they have a hole right through the center there. The hole is relatively large, so you can definitely use it on leather cord, but I think they're so unique and so gorgeous. I love the S shape. It's so unique. So let me show you the beads. Look at this beautiful blue colored glass. Oh my gosh, that is so gorgeous. They're very smooth and they're oval shaped, but they're irregular, as you can see. Okay, and then we have some of these wavy spacer beads here. So pretty. And we have some frosted beads and these beautiful violet oval table cut beads and some star shapes with AB finish on them. These are so appropriate for New Year's Eve. And that AB finish is so beautiful. Look at all the colors. Let me give you a close-up. I love these colors. And let me show you this one. Now this one I did have to use a reamer on it, a bead reamer. Okay, so if you have that problem, you can definitely open up the hole very easily using a bead reamer. Sometimes the finish on the pearl beads clogs up the holes, but it's not a big deal because you can like I said, you can very easily open it up. And I love these. Oh my gosh, the facets are so gorgeous. Here's some teardrop shaped beads drilled through the center and some rondelles and more of these little stars. They're so cute. Let me give you a close-up. And here's the final item. As you can see, it's a couple of gorgeous boho beads. The name is Starlight and they're black. I didn't see these on the list, so maybe it's an extra. I don't know. Let's take a look at them. Aren't they pretty? Oh my gosh, there's a moon shape there. They're a matte black color and the moon shape has pearls on it, and there are bead caps, and I can see some opal-like crystals embedded on the surface and some gold glitter. These are so gorgeous. What a perfect way to end this unboxing with these beautiful boho beads. These beads are so unique. I guarantee you're not going to be able to find these anywhere. These are specially made for Jessie James beads, and I love it that they embed some bead caps on them. They're so gorgeous, guys. Look at this. Let me give you a close-up. Aren't these unique and beautiful? I don't know if you guys can see the sparkles, but it looks like I'm looking into a night sky with golden stars. So beautiful. I'm so impressed with this box. Well, that's it, guys. This is the full collection, the December collection for the Magical Mystery Bead Box. And I'm absolutely in love with this box. I love all these colors. And the fact that it was named after one of Van Gogh's paintings makes it even more special. It's an absolutely gorgeous box. I love all the colors. I love the mixed metals. I love all the chain. I pretty much love the whole thing. And I know I'm going to come up with something very special, so I want you to come back and check my channel for tutorials. And yes, I did put everything back in the packaging, because if I don't do that, I get myself all mixed up. And so to keep myself organized, I try to put everything back in the packaging the best I can. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing as much as I did. Let me go ahead and clean this up and I'll come back and say goodbye. Well, that was a gorgeous box as always. Jessie James Beads never disappoints. I'm always delighted to open their boxes because they're always filled with gorgeous items. And a lot of their beads are unique to Jessie James Beads. You can't get them anywhere else. So that's what makes them really special. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's unboxing. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful holiday season. I'm looking forward to seeing you again. I'm looking forward to 2022. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time. Bye.